Hello and welcome to Ninja Sauce. On today's video, we're going to look at how we can add an expense in our CloudBiz software. So first of all, we navigate to three lines on the top left side. Then we navigate to expenses. Then we navigate to add expense. Here a form will open up. Then all the required fields have an asterisk sign with it. So that means that these fields need to be fulfilled. So let me just quickly fill up and then I'll get back to you. Then we click on save. So after saving your expense, an alert message will pop up that indicates that you have successfully saved your expense. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.